You can use your Access Arkansas online account to apply for healthcare benefits. Start off by going to access.arkansas.gov. Click yes or no to the voter registration question, and then click Renew or Apply for your healthcare. This takes you to the updated Access Arkansas homepage. You can use the updated Access Arkansas website to apply for healthcare benefits. To apply, you'll need to create an account or log in to your online account. If you want to apply for other programs like Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program food benefits or Transitional Employment Assistance, click Log in or Apply for SNAP&T on the previous page. If you need to create an account, there's another video to help with that. From the home page, click the Manage tab and then put in your username and password to log in. After logging in, you'll come to your Access Arkansas dashboard. Click the Apply for Benefits button at the top of the page. That will take you to the Getting Started page. It has some good information about what the application will ask and the information and documents you'll need to apply. There are also some answers to some common questions before you get started. Once you're ready, click Get Started. That will take you to the Program Information page that shows you the programs you can apply for using the updated Access Arkansas. Right now, you can only apply for healthcare benefits using the new site. Click Next. While filling out the application, you'll be able to see what step you are in the process at the top of your screen. On the next page, you'll begin putting in your information. The first page wants to know if you're the person who's applying and the one filling out the form. If you're applying for yourself and your family, fill in your personal information. If you're helping someone else apply, you are called an authorized representative. Select that choice and fill in your information. You can choose the language you get letters and forms sent to you in, give information about the head of household or who to contact about the application, and whether you prefer paperless contact and text alerts. On the next page, you'll add the people who are in your household, such as a spouse or children, by filling in their information and then answering questions, like whether anyone has a disability or has been pregnant. On the Relationships page, let us know if everyone who's applying lives in the same home as the head of household by answering yes or no. Someone may be part of the household you need to include, but live outside the home, like a child who's living at college or a spouse who's living in a nursing home. Then, tell us about the relationships between the members of the household. You will continue to move through the application to the Person Details page, where you'll give more information about each person who's applying. You can also set up specific alert preferences for that household member if it needs to be different than the head of household. Once you've filled out the needed information for each person, you'll move on to the section about where you live. Here, you'll tell DHS about the living arrangements for each person who's applying and the housing costs you might have, such as rent, a mortgage, and utilities. By clicking Next, you'll move on to the financial information to let DHS know about the income you make from a job or money you get from other sources. The application will ask whether a household member made money from a job or self-employment. Clicking Yes will take you to the next page, where you'll let us know whether the money you made was from a job or self-employment. Then you'll let us know more about the money you make, like the name of your employer and hourly wages or salary for a job. Click Done as you fill out each section to move to the next section. Click Add when you're finished to add the income. Once you've filled out the information about each person's income, you'll move on to things people in the household might own, such as vehicles, bank accounts, or real estate. We call these resources. Clicking Yes for a certain resource, like owning a vehicle, will take you to the Resources Details page, where you can tell us more about that resource. Once you've filled in and reviewed all the information you've entered, click Add. You can repeat the process for each resource you own. If you need to change the information you've entered, just choose the Edit button. When you've added all the resources, click Next. On the Past Income and Resources page, you'll need to tell DHS about any income, property, or resources that household members may have owned but later traded, sold, or gave away in the last 5 years. The process for letting DHS know about these resources is the same as resources you have now. Once you've filled out this page, you'll head to the Health Insurance and Medical Bills page. Here, you'll need to tell DHS whether the people in your household have medical insurance or have any medical bills. If they do, you'll be asked to give information on the type of insurance or bills. You can upload any files DHS might need to process your application. You can drag and drop files from your computer or choose a file by browsing your computer or device. File types you can upload include PDFs, JPEGs, or PNGs. Once you've uploaded the file, you can tell us what type of file it is and who it's for. For example, you might upload a document to offer proof of income. You would choose the person from the drop-down who has the income, choose income in the category, and a description of the file, such as other income. Uploading documents with your application may help DHS process the application more quickly and make a decision on whether you can get benefits sooner. Once all of your files are loaded, click Upload Files to attach them to your application. You'll see that those have been uploaded successfully under the Uploaded Files heading. Once you click Next, you'll be asked to review the answers that you put in on your application before submitting. You can scroll through your answers on the page, or you can open a PDF in a new window to see your responses. If you need to edit any of your answers, click to that page in the progress bar and make your changes. Once you've reviewed and are good with your answers, scroll to the bottom. Read through the Statement of Understanding to make sure you understand the terms and conditions of applying. Then click that you agree and give an e-signature by typing your first and last name. To send your application to DHS, click Next. Congratulations, you've successfully sent your application to DHS. Click Print Your Case Form to print a copy of your application or to save it to your computer or other device. To get back to your account dashboard, just click Back to Account Summary. If you have questions about the updated Access Arkansas, visit our website at www.humanservices.arkansas.gov or call the DHS helpline at 1-855-372-1084. You can also call or visit your local county office.